This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Immortal in JJS public server. Focus on mastering movement, ability timing, and spawn control right away. Practice core combos in safe matches and watch how cooldowns line up. Prioritize positioning over kills and learn when to disengage. Communicate with teammates using short, clear calls. Consistent practice and reviewing your matches will speed your progress toward Immortal status. Understanding mechanics is the backbone of getting Immortal in JJS public server. Track enemy cooldowns and prioritize fights where you have a clear advantage. Control power positions and choke points to limit enemy options. Use short ability windows to weave damage and heals without exposing yourself. Stay aware of spawn timers and objective rotations to predict enemy moves. Small mechanical gains add up into reliable immortality over many matches. Tactical decisions separate good players from Immortal players in JJS public server. Rotate only when you have vision or teammate support, and avoid solo dives that cost lives. Make trades that benefit your team's tempo rather than chasing flashy plays. Switch loadouts to counter enemy strategies and exploit map features like high ground or tight corridors. Keep your death timer low by minimizing risky plays and maximizing safe rotations each round.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.